Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. I went to Italy last fall, and then I have been, since then, I went to Italy, and then I went to Vegas last week, and a couple day trips in between different places. But when I post my pictures, you guys are crazy about the bags that I've been carrying, the sling bag. And so I thought I'm going to do a special video on travel bags, the crossbody bags like this, not a regular crossbody, but the travel bags like this. And I'm going to tell you the words to search when you are looking for them. But I'm going to show you some pictures because you guys, they are so great to travel with, and you can be hands-free. So what I'm doing right now is I'm showing you some photos of me in different places, Italy, and prior to checking out my outfits at the house. There's some from Vegas last week. And what you're going to see is I've got two different bags on. So one bag is this bag that's behind me. I put it on Millie here, our mannequin. And this bag I got at Altered State. We will link it below. I got it Altered State. There are two different sizes. This one is the larger. And then this photo that you're seeing right here of my friend Connie, she got the smaller one. She was with me on my trip last week, and she loved my bag so much she ordered it, I think before we even we were still at the hotel. She ordered it, so I would be waiting for her when she got back home because she's going to Disney in a couple weeks and a cruise as well. And so she was like super excited about them. All right, so this bag I think is around the $59 range. The next bag that I'm showing you, the other bag that I was wearing a lot of the time, is the black one. You guys, I can't give you a link to it. I got it at a discount store for $9.99, hanging in the purses. It was a place called Bealls, B-E-A-L-L-S. I got it last summer in preparation for my trip to Italy, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. You can see me in a few different photos there. So let's walk through some different bags that you might be interested in. All right, so first of all, let me tell you this. When you do a search, you want to search specific words. You might search sling, sling pouch, fanny pack, believe it or not, because what they're doing with fanny packs is they're actually using them as a sling bag, a shoulder bag, waist bag, or pouch separately. So those are some terms that you can search, and you'll come up with all kinds of things. If you want a specific color, then use that in the search. Black sling bag, women's, because there are a lot of men's as well out there, or gold, or whatever you want, whatever other color that you want. All right, so let's go through some of these next photos, and I'm going to show you where to get them and what they're called. So this first photo is from Athleta. This bag is called the mini belt bag, and looks like it is something that would be easily wiped clean. It looks like it could fold easily, but it is small. So if you're a glamour girl, those are the words that we use in our frame system. That means you're smaller of stature. That would be a great one for you. The next bag that I'm showing you is called their Black Excursion waist bag. Now, interesting that it's a waist bag, but look where she's carrying it. And so it sits right there. I love it because it's an accessory, so it kind of dresses up your outfit a bit. And it's also not sitting on your stomach where a lot of the fanny packs, that's where they sat, right? And so it just enlarged your tummy. So I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, so those you could get at Athleta. The next photo I want to show you, this bag I found on Etsy. Super colorful. They had all kinds of colors. And I did search sling bag on this, but it does look like a fanny pack. If you look at it up close, it's just you carry it over your shoulder instead of around. I think that's super cute. Then I Googled gold sling bag because I thought, oh, I'd love to have a gold one. And this one came up on, was this one at Etsy? Let me see here. I think it was. Yeah, it was at Etsy. And they had it in several different metallic colors. You can see their gold, silver. They also had a black and a beige. And so I'm considering that. The gold looks a little shiny. I don't know what it'd look like in person. So, because I'd love to have one for summer, right? Because I feel like the ones I have here are a little wintry, fall. Spring is great, but all right, so there's that. Then what am I showing you next? The next one is genuine leather. This I got off of a site called Kinne, Kinne. Let me check that for sure. Yes, it's genuine leather. It was not around the $60 range. By the way, those Etsy bags were like $20, $30. But this one is genuine leather, absolutely stunning, as you can see. But I think it was maybe more the $150 range. But look how cool that looks, just decorated. I always say, I gotta put my decorations on. My husband laughs at me, but you kind of decorate yourself, right? And then this last photo that I am showing you is of Kim, another friend of mine, who wears her Marc Jacobs bag. And there are a couple of photos of her there. And many times she also shortens that strap and wears it a little bit shorter on top, which I have really liked her bag. I got it, and that's called a camera bag from Marc Jacobs. It's pricey. And I got a bag, a camera bag that I didn't spend a lot of money on, and it was too small for me. I'm a rock star in our frame system, so I like larger bags. And even if it's, you know, a bag like a sling bag, I overpowered it. So it's not good. I'm going to give that to my daughter-in-law. She's smaller. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Let's take a look again at all the photos up there, the sling bags, me and everybody else just kind of together. And you can see there is just a really great thing. So as we're coming into summer, I did see that Altered State has one that's woven. So it may be something, you know, I'll look at, but just check it out. Look in the stores, go in your accessory department, the purse department. I was in TJ Maxx this weekend. They didn't have any. And so right now I think it's easier maybe to find online, or I do know Altered State in the store has it, but you might just have to ask people, hey, where are your sling bags? And let them point you in the direction. So do you have a sling bag? Do you like the look of a sling bag? And do you think you might be getting one? Let me know and in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, will you do that? I think we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, which is really exciting. And so if you'll help me out with that, would be amazing. Thanks for being here, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.